Hi, I'm Cindy Duplantis here with Chatters and Design Me, and I'm going to show you a great way of how to do a French twist. So our must-have products for this is our Puff Me Light and our 3-way hairspray. First, I'm going to be using our Puff Me Light, and I'm actually going to go right through my hair. Depending on what stage of your hair game is at, if you're at day 1, day 2, day 3, you can still rock this look. So I'm being pretty generous. Massage it in. And this is the simple part. You're just going to finger rake your hair back loosely, like you're gonna put it in a ponytail. And now all you're gonna do is a twist. Just twist that up. Those ends that you have left over, you're just going to slide it behind the twist. The Puff Me gives you such good texture, it holds in spot no problem. Now, I'm gonna use my trusty bobby pins. I'm just sliding the bobby pins along the crease line in the back of my French twist. Now this is the part where you can have some fun. Use your fingers, just give it a little bit of texture. So now we're gonna finish off with our 3-way hairspray. What's so cute about this is you have the idea of different holds. You just twist the nozzle, and I'm going to light. And there you have it, a simple French twist. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this look, there's so much more to come. So make sure to like and subscribe to this channel.